supplies and I'll be right back. Okay, and back, Ms. Jones, I'm gonna get some water.
Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Miss Henderson. So the young lady, Nicole, is doing a perineal care, which is one of Prometric scale. She got all her supplies here. She have a hamper to put her dirty linens. She got about 6 washing rags, and she got 2 chucks, and she got soap. So she came all equipped to do her perineal care scale. This is one of Prometric scale.
All right, first I'm gonna lock my bed.
She's locking her bed for safety, privacy curtain, and she's raising her bed to working level to maintain proper body mechanics. Very good, Nicole. So what are you gonna do? Take out the soil pad?
Yeah, I'm gonna take out the soil pad first and put it in the shelves.
Okay, good.
All right, okay, Ms. Jones, I'm gonna move you in 3 different segments, okay? Closer to me, okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
2, and 3.
Cross your legs, cross your arm. On a count of 3, I'm gonna turn you on the
Okay, I'm gonna turn you over now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna remove your soil chucks. I'm gonna bring it back on your back.
very good. Very good. So she just removed her soil
Your soil chucks
into the
hamper.
dirty hamper. Good, very
Okay.
good. Change gloves, wash hands, and
Change my gloves.
put on a new pair of
Tied
gloves.
my hands, put on a new pair.
Put a new chuck on. A clean chuck. Guys, so far Nicole is doing very good. Give her a thumbs up on this video, please. Thumbs up for Nicole. She's following all the steps, which is a good thing. I think Prometric give you about, I'm not sure, maybe 12 minutes or 8 minutes for the skill. It's about 8 minutes or so. It seems like a longer skill though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cross the leg back. Now I'm going to do your private.
So she's exposing the private area. She's gonna clean the perineal area now. She's putting the patient leg in a dorsal recumbent position so she can spread the labia to clean it. Exactly.
Putting my washcloth.
So she's gonna clean both groins and then she's gonna clean the labia. Very good, Nicole.
Okay, so using the floor layer. So I'm gonna go down first.
One swipe down,
Swipe down.
switch the cloth,
One swipe down. I'm gonna open the labia.
labia, one swipe,
One swipe down. Keep it. One swipe down in the center. One swipe down.
dry, rinse it and then dry. Very good.
Same procedure. Down. Down. Spread the labia one more time. One down. One down. And one down.
And then dry.
Dry.
Cover your patients.
This back. Put your feet back down.
Nicole gonna change the water, change the glove, and
Okay, I'll be right back, Miss Jones. I'm gonna change my glove, change the water.
she gonna get new set of water to clean
Buttocks.
the buttocks. Guys, this is one of Prometric scale, so in order to pass this scale, you have to do it exactly as outlined by Prometric checklist.
Yeah, my gloves on. Hey, Miss Jones, I'll let you check the water temperature for me.
The water is fine.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna move you in 3
All
segments.
right, I'm gonna move you again in 3 segments, okay? Just to clean your check this area. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pass the legs. So your hands. I'm gonna turn you over in powder tray, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright. So remove your gown a little bit.
Expose the buttocks area. Okay, get a soapy washcloth. Do the right and left cheek and then do the center. Soap.
Soap. Soap, I only need 3. Soap. Okay. Alright.
One swipe
One
up
swipe up. That. One swipe up.
and one for the middle.
And one for the middle. Okay.
Very, very good.
Here, rinse this.
Guys, please look at this video because she did all the steps as outlined in the checklist. She did it actually perfect, actually.
Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna
Dry.
you.
And now you got to change the soil on the pad.
Okay, I'm gonna still keep my gloves because I needed to change after that. So
Yeah.
you change your soil
On the pad.
right here. I'm gonna bring it back over.
1, 2, 3. Remove that. Then after she removed that, then she's gonna change her gloves because she's gonna
Change my gloves, sanitize my hand, put a new gloves on.
and
I'm gonna
put a new pad on. Exactly. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the scale because I don't want to make the video too long, but you see the major things that she did. She just put in the clean chuck now and the scale will be end. So again, thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please drop a heart and a comment for Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.